We have started the chapter population. Can you imagine a world without a human being? Who would have utilized the resources and create social? Create social and cultural environment. The people are important to develop the economy and society. The people make and use resources and are themselves resources with varying quality. Coal is but a piece of people until people were able to invent technology to obtain it and make it resources. Natural events like flood or tsunami become disaster only when they affect a crowded village or town. Hence, a population is pivotal element in social study. It is a point of reference from which all elements are observed and from which the derive significance and meaning. Resources, calamity, and disaster are meaningful only in relation to human beings. Their number, distribution, growth, and characteristics or qualities provide the basic background for, for understanding and appreciating all aspects of environment. Human beings are producer and consumer of earth resources. Therefore, it is important to know how many peoples are there in country, where do they live, and how, and where their numbers are increasing, what are their characteristics. The Census of India provides us all the information regarding that. Okay, we are primarily concerned with three major questions about population: population, size, and distribution. How many peoples are there and where are they located? Population growth and process of population change. How is the population grown and changed through time? Characteristics or quality of population. What are their age, sex, composition, literacy level, occupational structure, and health condition. Population size and distribution. India's population size and distribution by number. India's population as on March 2011 stood at 1 million, which account for 17.5% of the world population. There are 1.21 billion people are uneven distributed over country vast area of 3.28 million square kilometer, which account for 2.4% of the world areas. The 2011 census data reveals that Uttar Pradesh has the population size of 199 million, is the most populous state of India. Uttar Pradesh account for about 16% of the country's population. On the other hand, the Himalaya state Sikkim has a population of just about 0.6 million and Lakshadweep has only 64,429 Almost half of the India's population lives in just five states. They are UP, Madhya Pradesh, UP, Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan is the biggest state in terms of area, has only 5.5% of the total population in India. देखिए इस तरीके से पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन देखिए. इंडियाज़ पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डेंसिटी देखिए इस तरीके से, डायग्राम को देखने से पता चल जाएगा कहाँ कहाँ कौन कैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है, कौन कौन से एरिया में कितनी पॉपुलेशन है। अब देखिए पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी जो है ऑफ इंडिया इन द ईयर 2011 वाज 382% पर स्क्वायर। डेंसिटी वेरी फ्रॉम 1102% per square kilometer in Bihar to only 17% per square kilometer in Arunachal Pradesh. Study of figure 6.3 show the pattern of uneven distribution of population density at the state level. Note the state with population density below 250% per square kilometer, rugged terrain and unfavorable climatic conditions are primarily responsible for sparse population in this area. Which state have density below 250% per square kilometer? Assam and most of the peninsular states have moderate population density. Hilly, dissected and rocky nature of terrain, moderate to lower rainfall, shallow and less fertile soil have influenced population density in this area. Northern plain and Kerala in the south have high to very high population density because of the flat plain with fertile soil and abundant rainfall. Identify the three states of northern plain with high population density. Population growth and process of population change. उस तरीके से देखिए पॉपुलेशन चेंजेस जो है, इंडियाज़ पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट, ठीक है। Population growth and process of population change. Population is dynamic phenomena. The number, distribution, composition of population are constant changing. This is influence the interaction of three processes, namely birth rate and migration पर डिपेंड करता है। पॉपुलेशन क्या है, मतलब क्या कितनी दर से बढ़ रहे हैं, पैदा हो रहे हैं और कितनी मृत्यु हो रही है, उस पर डिपेंड करती है पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ। The growth of population refer to the change in the number of inhabitants of the country territory during the specific period of time, say during the last 10 years. Such a change can be expressed in two ways, in terms of absolute number and in terms of percentage change per year. The absolute number added each year or decade is the magnitude of increase. It is obtained by simply subtracting the earlier population from the later population. That is referred to as absolute increase. Rate or the phase of population increase is the other important aspect. It is studied in percentage per annum. Example, a rate of increase of 2% per annum means that in given year there was increase of 2% for every 100% in the base population. This is referred as annual growth rate. India's population has been steadily increasing. धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज हो रही स्टिली देखिए 1951 से किस तरीके से इंक्रीज हुई है 2011 तक, इस ग्राफ से पता चल रहा है, ठीक है। ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू।